Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by planning the exact time and place for your shoot. Shoot during golden hour, 30 to 45 minutes before and after sunset for best light. Check local sunset time and add travel and setup buffer. Scout locations that face the horizon and include foreground interest within about 50 meters from your position. Arrive at least 20 minutes early to test angles, composition, and exposure. Bring a sturdy tripod to stabilize the camera for low light and slow shutter speeds. Set your camera to manual or aperture priority mode for control. Use aperture f/8 to f/16 to achieve deep depth of field for both foreground and background. Start with ISO 100 to minimize noise and raise it only if shutter speed becomes impractically slow. Adjust shutter speed to expose the sky, starting around 1/60 second and using longer exposures up to 1 second on a tripod. Compose using the rule of thirds. Place the horizon on the top or bottom third. Include a clear focal subject like a person, tree, or structure to anchor the scene. Control high dynamic range by bracketing exposures across 3 or 5 frames. Bracket exposures by one-stop increments, taking at least 3 images for blending later. Shoot in RAW format to preserve highlight and shadow detail for editing. Use exposure blending or HDR processing to combine brackets while avoiding unnatural halos. Consider graduated neutral density filters in camera to balance bright sky and darker foreground. In post, apply local adjustments to recover highlights, lift shadows, and fine-tune white balance for accurate golden hues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.